Hello everyone, we're glad to introduce our video crash course for IBPS PO Clerk Prelim 2018. Before starting the video, I'd like to give a short intro about our video classes. Our video crash course contain 100 plus hours of videos covering complete syllabus of IBPS PO Clerk Prelim syllabus, and also you can view these videos in both the language English as well as Hindi, and also you can learn the concept from our skilled expert at the comfort of your place, and also you can revise as many as time you want. Also, video course include latest pattern question, and at the end of the video class you can practice a question as a mock test. Professional mentor will be available for guiding you on daily basis, and also there is a doubt clearing session so that you can clear your all doubts regarding any concept. For more details, visit ibpsguide.com and link is in the description box. Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. So in this particular video we will see a 9 box based arrangement, or you can say puzzle, asked in IBPS PO 2018, and also one linear arrangement that was asked in first shift. This video is very important for your upcoming IBPS Clerk Pre 2018. So without further ado, let's see what are those two questions or puzzles. So this is a box based puzzle which was asked in IBPS PO 2018 first shift. 9 boxes named P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X are placed one above another, but not necessarily in the same order. Only 5 boxes are placed between P and R. So two conditions are there. P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R is here, and the second condition is R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, P is here. Now read further. T is placed immediately above R. R is here, T is placed at this position. R is here, T at placed at this position. And only 3 boxes are placed between T and S. Now T is here, T and S 3 boxes. Only 3 boxes are placed. So if you place 3 boxes, now T is here 1, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and S is here 1, 2, 3. But now count the number of boxes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here is 9 boxes. So this condition is false in this situation. So just rub it. Okay. Now T and S 3 boxes. So T is here 1 boxes, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and S at this position. Now he is saying, now in this situation T is here above T. If you place S, then it will be a more number of boxes. Then it must be below T. 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, S at this position. Now further, as many boxes between P and S between Q and T. So see, in this case P and S 2 boxes are there, and Q and T 2 boxes are there. If you place Q above T, then it will increase the number of boxes. So it must be below T. 1 boxes, 2 boxes, Q at this position. Now count the number of boxes first. 1 boxes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 1 boxes you should need in this case. And in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. 2 boxes are needed. Just read further. U is placed below Q but not at the bottom. Okay. Below U is placed below Q somewhere but not at bottom. So just let's see, in this case P and S, none of them is sitting between P and S. Then Q and T, none of them sitting between. Then according to this situation P and S is same as between Q and T. So T is here, so this position is for Q. Okay, below Q U must be there, but it is not at the bottom. Then definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th boxes, and U is at this place. Now read further. More than 4 boxes are placed between T and U. So T is here, U is here. Is it satisfying this situation? More than 4 boxes are placed between T and U. No. So this case is false. T is here. More than T and U, more than 4 boxes are placed. So T is here. If I place U above T, that will makes a number of boxes more. Then it must be below. It must be below T. 1 boxes, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes. It is saying more than 4 boxes. So 4 boxes, 5 boxes, U must be placed at this position. U not at bottom position according to this situation. That is why U is not at bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 1 box is needed in this case. And he is saying 1 box is placed between U and V. U is here, 1 gap, V not possible. U is here, 1 gap, and the box is available, that is V. Box X is placed above box W. So W is here and box X is here. So this is your right diagram. कितना टाइम लगा होगा? 2 मिनट 3 मिनट. प्रेशर को हैंडल करो एग्जाम में, ठीक है ना, इजी आ रही है क्वेश्चंस. चलो नेक्स्ट लीनियर पजल देखते हैं क्या है. 8 person KLM and OPQ are sitting in a row, some of them facing north while some of them facing south. N sits fifth to the right of M, but none of them sit at the extreme end. Now N sits fifth to the right of M. Now place M. Just make it north side. So fifth right means this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is at this position, and both of them not sitting at extreme end. Then one person is here, one person is here. Now count the number of person: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and total number of person here is 8. So this is a case 1. So if M is facing south direction, then what happen? M south direction. Then fifth right will be this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is at this position, and none of them is sitting extreme end, then this position. Now read further. Q sits third to the right of N. So N is here. If you want to place a Q in the third right of N, then you must be say that N must be placed at facing north south direction. Then only Q must be placed at third position. 1, 2, 3, third right, that is this position. But in this case, N should be faced in north direction, so that Q should be at this position. 1, 2, 3, Q must be at this position. Alright, now read further. L sits second to the right of Q. So Q is here. 1, 2, not possible. 1, 2, possible. L is here. Q is here. 1, 2, not possible. 1, 2, possible. Now he is saying L sits second to the right of Q. Okay, L is second to the right of Q means Q must be places toward the north, then only L is second right. In this case, Q must be placed to the facing south direction, then only from the Q side L is second position, second to the right. ठीक है, only one person sit between L and P. L is here, one gap P, not one P. P is here, L is here, one P, one P, not person. This is the only case where I have to place P. R sits third to the left of P. R sits third to the left of P means if you place facing north direction, then 1, 2, 3, R is at this position. In this case, left is this side, 1, 2, 3, R is at this side. Now read for the K sits second to the left of O. Okay, O and K, two gap is there. Both of them sitting at extreme end. Both of the person sitting at extreme end faces opposite direction to each other. Means if this P is facing north, then this person may be faces to the south direction. In this case, P is facing south, then this person may be facing north. Now further is saying both the immediate neighbor of M. Both the immediate means this one and this one faces same direction. Means if this neighbor is facing south direction, then this neighbor is also facing south direction. If this neighbor is facing north direction, then this neighbor is also facing north direction. Now further read. R sits second to the left of L. R sits second to the left of, no, he is saying R sits to the left of L, not second. He is saying R sits to the left of L. Okay, R is here, L is here. So to the left of L means L must be placed toward the north direction, then only R is at to the left side. So left side, so L must be placed to the facing toward the south direction, then only R is at left position, and both of them are facing opposite direction. Okay, L and R both are facing opposite direction. So if L is facing north, then R must be facing south. L is facing south, then R must be facing south. He is saying both of them facing opposite direction, not same. So if L is facing north, R is facing south. If L is facing south, then R must be faces toward the north direction, not south. It must, because opposite bola hai, so it must be placed toward the north. And at last he is saying R does not faces north direction. So this means this is wrong. And the only thing left is O and K. So just place O here, and from the O, K is second left. So not position is not empty. So place O here, and from this second left is this side, K must be placed. O and K is at this position. So this is your right arrangement diagram. Okay, कितना टाइम लगा होगा? 2 से 3 मिनट फ्रेंड्स, इजी आ रही है पजल, ठीक है। तो इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड फॉर द क्वालिटी मॉक जस्ट विजिट ibpsguide.com. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।